for eSports.
Go.
3-point line ito mga ito. Ay, mechanics muna.
Mechanics para malaman nila how the 3-point shootout works. Yan, nakikita natin.
Simple lang yan. Sa mga pangalan na yan, gaya na sinabi natin kanina, ay ang siyam na pinakamahuhusay na 3-point shooters in the land. Ito si Solis leading the pack. Ronnie Magsana was supposed to play pero pinalitan po siya ni Ato Agustin. Number 3 si Joe Merubi. And the list goes on and on.
Nakita natin, of course, we have the rest. We have Danny Siegel, who was also replaced by Boyd Victoria. And then Al Segova and Alan Kaidik. Yun po yung mga shooters from Alaska. We're gonna do this alphabetically. Alaska has, of course, Roel Gomez.
60 seconds para kay Ikaw. Dalawang puntos, 3 points, colored basket scores para kay Roel Gomez. Second round para kay Roel Gomez. Wala pa siya na ipapasok as his first. His last shot, yung colored ball so far, naipasok niya.
Alam mo si Roel Gomez, one of the better 3-point shooters we have in the league. He came in second place last year at siya po yung ating 3-point shootout king in 1997.
Roel Gomez has made all 3 colored balls so far. He has 2 more. Gomez sa kanyang fourth track. Ipasok na naman yung colored ball. He has 12 seconds to score his last track. On base, eksaktong oras. Hindi nagbabago ang kamay. Last shot coming up. Colored ball is up. And it's in. He makes all colored balls.
Yun ang importante, Chino, kasi all those colored balls are worth 2 points. Nabanggit nga natin. So automatically,
He has 10 points.
na kaagad yun.
Ang score ni Roel Gomez, 17 points. Sino ang susunod natin na shooter, Anthony?
Si Alan Kaidik from Barangay Ginebra.
Alan Kaidik, kung makikita nyo, pinupwesto niya yung kanyang mga rack, no? Kasi depende yan kung saan mo mas gusto. Ipinupwesto niya dahil si Alan Kaliwete, sa iba niya kukunan yan. And Alan Kaidik, nakikita nyo kung gano'n siya ka-meticuloso sa pag-shoot. Ha? Sayang daw.
Siyempre, maglalaro ka na, go out for the win. Sayang din naman yun.
Alan Kaidik is one of 2 players to score at least 1,000 3-point shots in his career.
Oh, grabe yun. He's shooting just 23% this year. Medyo nagsastruggle siya, pero sa competition na ganito, alam natin he's pumped up. Delikado siya ang kalaban.
The trigger man. First attempt. His second. His third, hindi niya nakuha. Hinahanap niya yung rhythm niya. No? Pero pag nag-init yan, for the colored ball. Alan Kaidik. Tapos sa kanyang first track.
Si Alan Kaidik po nagwagi sa ating shootout in 1992. And in the 1995 contest, he came in second place.
Alan Kaidik so far has only scored a point. Nandun na siya sa gitna. Ayan, paborito niya ang angle yan. Alan Kaidik from top of the key. Tatlong sunod-sunod. 4. 5. Ayan na, nag-iinit na si Alan Kaidik. His colored ball is up. And it's in. Last round para kay Alan Kaidik. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Colored ball is up.
Alan Kaidik tinapos ang kanyang round. Ang score tinatabulate. Ang score ni Alan Kaidik of Barangay Ginebra, 10 points.
Hear it for Al Solis.
Kapitbahay ng Phil Sports Arena.
Al Solis.
Gaya ni Alan Kaidik, no, tinitignan din niya yung anggulo kung saan niya gustong kunin yung kanyang mga 3-point shots. Tanda po ninyo, ang top 2 players make it to the finals today at for the right to win
The 3-point title. Al Solis. Naipasok yung kanyang ikatlo. Yung kanyang ikapat, pumasok na yung colored ball is in. So 4 points para kay Al. 5 points. 6. 7 points. Colored ball is out. 7 points unofficially para kay Al Solis. Sa ibabaw, Al Solis. looking for his mark. Colored ball is up. He has 25 seconds to shoot. 17 points is the top score so far, no, yung kay Roel Gomez.
So far, all he's got to do is beat Alan Kaidik, who has 10 points. Pero syempre, we still have 6 shooters after Al Solis. This is the last rack. He's got 7 seconds to finish this rack. More than enough time. The colored ball just in time. Sabi ng ating referees, hindi ka-count. Even if it went in. Unofficially, 13 points. We'll see the official score is 13 points for Al Solis of Mobiline. And Al Solis of Mobiline with 13.
Shooting next, Pop Golas, Jasper Ocampo. Defending three-point king of the PBA All-Star Games. Last year, siya po ang naging kampiyon. Jasper Ocampo, Pop Gola. Ang score na kailangan niyang habulin is the 17 registered by Roel Gomez. If you're ready, Jasper, 60 seconds para kay Jasper Ocampo. Short on his first. Si Jasper Ocampo po, produkto ng San Sebastian College in the NCAA. Playing point guard para sa kupunan ng Pop Gola. Hindi counted yun, no? Stepping si Jasper doon sa kanya first shot sa second rack. Jasper Ocampo, one of the deadliest shooting point guards. Doon, nakita natin dito.
Yan ang tinatawag natin small but terrible. As we can see, he's about ready to clear up the third rack. Yung nasa taas po natin.
Colored ball is up, and that's the best track so far para kay Jasper Ocampo. Pasok yung unang dalawa, third straight, and he's on a roll. Colored ball for Jasper is in.
If I'm not mistaken, Chino, he's made all the colored balls so far.
Just like Roel Gomez, no? Meron pa siyang isang colored ball. He has 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, up!
It's short, so 4 colored balls. Unofficial score, 19 points at official na yun. 19 points for Jasper Ocampo. So top 2 scorers natin, Jasper Ocampo, Roel Gomez so far. Up next, we have Alvarado Segova of Pure Foods.
The players can opt to shoot from either side, left or right, Chino, depende kung saan mas gamay nila. Once again, the top 2 will make it to the finals, which will be played also today. Mamaya-maya po, makikita natin kung sino magwawagi, and he will be our Milo 3-point king.
Segova, sa kanyang attempt, first rack, isang naipapasok so far. Colored ball coming up. It's short. 1 point so far for Al Segova. Second rack, 1 point so far sa kanya. Stepping on the line. Final shot. Segova, nothing but net.
At naririnig mo yan?
Brick! And Segova just smiles. Si Asitaw Laban po yun. Niloloko si Al Segova. Brick! Wala lang ibang masasabi yan. Brick, of course, sa mga Amerikano is miss. He has 12 seconds to shoot. Al Segova for his colored ball. Binago nga ganun din. Al Segova, final rack. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2, 1.
He will not be able to get his last shot off. Unofficially, 8 points for Alvarado Segova.
Coming up, ang shooter naman galing sa San Miguel Beer, Boybits Victoria. Oh, si Asi Taulamba has something to say. Yes.
Go ahead, Asi, go ahead.
Asi has something to say. Huh? No.
He's very sorry.
Oh, very sorry, okay.
To Al? Al Segova, not Al Solis, huh?
Victoria.
Only 3 jumpers for Al.
Boybits, 50 seconds to shoot all 4 racks, no? Boybits Victoria. Pangalawang tira, pangatlo. Ito pala yung kanyang angulo paborito. Colored ball is up. And it's short. Victoria has 34 seconds to score. His remaining shots. Victoria for the colored ball sa ibabaw wala. Boybits Victoria, San Miguel Beer. Number 1, tira sa labas, wala. 10 seconds para kay Boybits Victoria.
He might not get all the balls off.
Tingnan natin, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up.
Eksakto lang, kaso lang hindi pumasok yung kanyang colored ball. Unofficially, 9 points for Boybits Victoria.
Okay, we'll take a quick... Okay, let's
Maybe
go to
next
the...
year, maybe the next year. 5 years from now.
5 years from now, okay.
Okay.
Noy Castillo is the next shooter. Galing po sa Shell, Noy Castillo.
Noy Castillo scores on his first. Second, pasok din, third is out. 2 points so far for Noy Castillo. Color ball is up and it's short. Noy Castillo has 45 seconds to score his remaining shots.
Di naman yung pace na ginagawa ni Noy Castillo, no? He's taking his time, shooting in rhythm.
And he makes the colored ball. Ang score to beat is 19 points. That of Jasper Ocampo. Noy Castillo, yung pace niya tamang-tama lang, no? He has 23 seconds to score his last 2 racks. Sige natin, kung aabutin niya to. 17 seconds for Noy Castillo.
I think he's gonna have to start speeding it up a little bit. He's got 10 seconds to go. Wala pa siya sa kanyang last rack.
7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasok. Referee counted.
I think that should be counted, yes.
Last basket counts and unofficial score, 11 points. 11 points para kay Noy Castillo. Up next.
Up next from Santa Lucia Realty, the Atom Bomb, Ato Agustin.
1992, most memorable year para kay Ato Agustin as he won the MVP in a close race kontra kay Nelson Asaitono. Ato Agustin shooting for his turn. 60 seconds. Ato Agustin. Rob Parker, sinisigawan sa gilid. Ayun. Rob Parker will compete in the slam dunk competition on Sunday. Ato Agustin, second rack. Pumasok yung pangalawang attempt. Fourth attempt is up. Nothing but net. Diretso-diretso ang kamay. Ato Agustin scores his colored ball. Nasa ibabaw. 30 seconds para kay Ato Agustin. Yung isa sa pinaka-book form na jump shots sa history ng liga. Ato Agustin owns that.
Ito si Ato Agustin going at a great pace. He's got about 18 seconds to go. Tapos patapos na siya sa second to the last rack.
Kaya kumpiyansa binibitawan, no? Iniintay pa niyang pumasok yung bola. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Short on his last
Eksakto
attempt.
sana yung oras. Unofficially 15 points for Ato Agustin.
Jomer Ruby.
Alam mo, Chino, this is Jomer Ruby. Ruled the amateur ranks before coming over here to the pros. Titignan natin if he'll be able to strut the same stuff he did. Siyempre, it's interesting to know, Chino, alam mo, yung 3-point area, siyempre natin dito sa PBA, mas malayo kaysa doon sa amateurs.
Jomer Ruby. Pero kahit malayo yan, malayo din tumira si Jomer Ruby. First attempt sa first rack lang na ipapasok so far ni Jomer Ruby. Colored ball nadula sa kanyang kamay. Short. Ruby, of course, joining his first 3-point shooting competition ng PBA. This one brought to you by Milo. Ruby, colored ball is up. Ruby has 33 seconds. So far, ang top score ay na-registered ni Jasper Ocampo and Ruel Gomez with 19 and 17 respectively. Jomer Ruby struggling sa kanyang first 3 racks. He has yet to hit his stride. Top 2 players make it to the finals. At ang finals po natin, gayon din, lalaruin. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
John Merubi, ang kanyang unofficial score, 6 points. 6 points para kay John Merubi. So, ang top 2 natin, making it to the finals, Jasper Ocampo of Pop Cola and Ruel Gomez of Alaska. We'll take a...
Okay, we're on for the Milo 3-point shootout. Chino, alam mo, ito yung rematch na makikita natin kasi itong dalawang naglaro. Sila rin yung naglaro sa finals last year with Jasper Ocampo winning. Tignan natin kung makakabawi si Ruel Gomez. Nagkaroon ng toss coin at ang nanalo ay si Ruel Gomez.
Ito ho ang finals ng inyong PBA 3-point shootout brought to you by Milo. 60 seconds, ready?
Ruel Gomez, walang naipasok so far, pero ito, iniintay niya pag-init ng kanyang kamay. Ruel Gomez struggling a bit dito sa kanyang pagpukol. Ruel Gomez, colored ball, pumasok. 35 seconds para kay Ruel Gomez. Ruel Gomez hoping to regain his crown as PBA 3-point king. Nothing but net. Colored ball is short. Ruel Gomez sa kanyang last 2 racks. 18 seconds to shoot. Ruel Gomez for the colored ball. Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That basket will count.
Unofficially, only 6 points para kay Ruel Gomez.
8 points, 8 points.
8 points officially for Ruel Gomez as that last basket na banggit nga ni Chino is counted.
So all that Jasper will have to do is score 9 points and he wins his crown, regains his crown, retains his crown as PBA 3-point king. You got his... Oh, okay. You want him, okay.
Taulava is for Jasper Ocampo.
I think you can shoot better than 6, Asi.
3 points so far para kay Jasper Ocampo. Shooting for 9 points at least to win his crown. But he might want to end in a big bang.
Siyempre gusto niya magtapos in style. I think that's it. Jasper Ocampo is gonna be crowned our Milo 3-point shootout king. Tuloy-tuloy po siya.
Jasper Ocampo shooting display at the PhilSports Arena. And he wants his title very badly.
Ang sabi ni Jasper, para naman makita nila na talagang tinalo ko naman si Ruel Gomez.
Jasper Ocampo making sure that he wins this one. 8 seconds to score. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up.
And it's out. Jasper Ocampo, unofficial score, 17 points. 17 points for the champion of the PBA 3-point king. Of title of PBA 3-point king goes to Jasper Ocampo. At ito po ang ating 3-point shootout brought to you by Milo. And awarding the plaque, championship plaque, ay ang ating Commissioner June Bernardino. Jasper Ocampo, 1999 PBA 3-point shootout champion.
Bago tayo mag-break, Chino, we would like to invite everybody out there and everybody here at the PhilSports Arena magbalik po at magkita-kita po tayo dito sa PhilSports Arena para po sa ating All-Star Game this Sunday here at the PhilSports Arena.
Again,